Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a smartphone that quite literally shocked the industry, and I mean that in the best way possible. Meet the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, a device that not only flexes its flagship muscle, but also redefines what fast charging really means, with a mind-blowing 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. So, is this the ultimate power-packed flagship of its time? Or just a flashy gimmick with a big battery claim? Let's find out. Number 1. Design and build. The Mi 10 Ultra doesn't hold back in the looks department. It's got that premium glass and aluminum sandwich design, and if you're into futuristic vibes, the transparent edition is absolutely chef's kiss. It's a bit on the heavier side at 221G, but that weight gives it a solid, substantial feel. You know you're holding something serious. You get a curved 6.67-inch OLED display, HDR10 plus support, and 120Hz refresh rate, which means everything from scrolling Instagram to gaming is butter smooth. Number 2. Display. The display is honestly one of the best in its class. At 1080 by 2340 resolution, some might argue it's not QHD, but Xiaomi optimizes it so well, you won't even notice. With peak brightness of 1120 nits, this thing stays legible even under direct sunlight. And colors? Vivid, punchy, and super accurate. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 865, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. Now, even though it's not the newer 888 or 8th Gen chips, this thing absolutely flies. Whether you're multitasking, gaming on high settings, or editing video on the go, the Mi 10 Ultra keeps up without breaking a sweat. Number 4. Camera system. Now let's talk about the cameras, and trust me, this part's juicy. 48MP main sensor, huge January 1st, 32-inch sensor, optical image stabilization. 48MP periscope telephoto, up to 120x digital zoom. 20MP ultra-wide, with a crazy 128-degree field of view. And a 12MP portrait lens. Low-light performance is solid, thanks to night mode optimization. And the zoom? It's insane. While 120x zoom is more of a marketing flex, even at 10x and 20x, the detail is very usable. Number 5. Battery and 120W charging. Alright, let's talk about what really sets the Mi 10 Ultra apart, the 120W wired fast charging. Xiaomi claims 0 to 100% in just 23 minutes, and yes, we tested it, and it's true. The 4500 mAh dual-cell battery splits the charge and manages heat impressively well. Add to that 50W wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging at 10W, and this is truly next-gen power tech. Number 6. MIUI Software. Running on MIUI 12, based on Android 10 at launch, it's smooth, feature-rich, but yes, there are ads in some system apps, especially in the Chinese ROM. That said, there are workarounds or global ROMs, if you're not into the bloat. Number 7. Pros and cons. Pros. Blazing fast 120W charging. Stunning camera system. Gorgeous 120Hz OLED display. Flagship performance. Unique transparent design option. Cons. No official IP rating. No global release, China only officially. MIUI ads can be annoying. No expandable storage. Slightly heavier than average. Conclusion and verdict. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra might have been a China-exclusive beast, but it left a global mark. It showed us what true charging innovation looks like, and it wasn't afraid to push boundaries. If you're a power user, love cutting-edge tech, and don't mind flashing a ROM or dealing with some MIUI quirks, this phone is an absolute steal, especially on the used market in 2025. So, is it still worth it today? Honestly, yes, especially if you want a device that charges faster than your coffee brews. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more in-depth tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Have questions about the Mi 10 Ultra? Drop them in the comments, and I'll catch you down there.